Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn about how to set up your WordPress.org website. The .org is important because the WordPress website that you want is not stemmed from the WordPress.com website, but the .org. I made this mistake once before and signed up with the .com, and it doesn't allow you plugins. Don't sign up with WordPress.com. That's important to remember. I've registered my domain with GoDaddy, lowcosthustle.com. And now to use WordPress.org, you need a hosting. And the hosting plan that I chose was HostGator. And I chose the baby plan. It gives you unlimited domains, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and a shared SSL certificate. Either that or $12 per month. Only $4 more you can spend and get the business plan and get a private SSL certificate and IP address, along with a free toll-free number. So once you sign up with one of these plans with HostGator, this is what your control panel will look like. And you want to start by installing WordPress.org into your HostGator control panel. And under special offers, you'll see Get Started with WordPress Today. Click on that and do the quick stall here. Just follow these simple directions and do the quick stall. It's that simple. But it took me a day to figure this all out because I made a lot of mistakes. With these simple step-by-step instructions, you can follow exactly how to do this and do it right the first time. So after you've installed WordPress.org onto your host website, HostGator, you have to scroll down and point your domain name to these name servers. You can find them under the account information column. So you go back to GoDaddy, copy and paste the name servers found on the bottom of your screen, and in GoDaddy, go to your domain details page, scroll down to name servers, and click Manage. All you have to do is click on Add Name Servers and add the two name servers that you've copied and pasted from your HostGator hosting account. And now you've set up your WordPress website correctly, step by step, easy. Once you're learning from people who've already done it, it saves you time. So thank you for listening. This has been Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.